Hey guys, so we're back for another day of data and graphing. So you guys did a super job during our live session getting right into making a bar graph and interpreting and analyzing data. Those are basically just really big words for understanding data that we took. And remember, the question that we asked during our live session was, what's your favorite sport? Today we are going to make data and record data based on this question. What is your favorite color? So we're going to ask the question, what is your favorite color? Now, because I cannot ask you guys the question right now, I went ahead and asked my whole family this question. There are a lot of people in my family, in my extended family, grandparents and everything, and I got their answers, and I am going to go ahead and tell you the results that I got, and then I'm going to make a graph with the data that I took. So I asked my family, what is your favorite color? And they gave me their responses. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people that liked blue the best. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 people that liked green the best. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people that liked red the best, and only 2 people that liked green the best. So I had 6 people that liked blue, 4 people that liked purple, 8 people that liked red, and 2 people that liked green. Okay. Now with this data, we're going to go ahead and make a graph. The first thing that I need to do is make a title. Now, because I asked the question, what is your favorite color to my family, my title is going to be Favorite Colors in Miss Baucom's Family. So this is going to be my title of the graph, Favorite Colors in Miss Baucom's Family. Now let's review the axes. Remember, we have the y-axis that goes up and down this way, like this, and the x-axis, which goes across like this. So x-axis goes side to side, and y-axis goes up and down. On my y-axis, I'm going to title that number of people, because on the y-axis, or up and down, is going to show the number of people that like each category. So I'm going to go ahead and label each number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, now that I've labeled the numbers on my y-axis, I'm going to add the categories to my x-axis down here. Remember, I have blue, purple, red, and green. The last thing I have to do is make my bars. So I'm going to go back to my data chart and see that I have 6 people that liked blue. So I'm going to go ahead and go down here and make my bar for blue line up with the 6. All right, so that shows that 6 people liked blue the best. Let's go back and do the same for purple. I see that 4 people liked purple the best. So I'm going to come in here, make another bar, and have that one line up with the 4. Now, when you're making bar graphs, you don't always have to make it color-coded. I just like to do that so that it's easier for me to read the graph, but you don't have to color-code your bar graphs. It just makes it easier to read. Now let's go back to our red. We see that 8 people liked red the most. So I'm going to come and make a red bar that lines up with the 8. And finally, I see that 2 people like green the most. So I'm going to come in and make a green bar that lines up with the 2. Now you can see the graph favorite colors in Miss Baucom's family. 6 people liked blue, 4 people liked purple, 8 people liked red, and 2 people liked green. So now we can answer some questions. Which, and I'm going to actually use a star for this so that we can have a little pointer to show us which one answers the question. So which color was the most popular in Miss Baucom's family? That means which had the most votes. We can see clearly that it was red, because red is the highest bar on the graph. Okay, next we can answer the question, which color was the least popular, or had the least number of votes in Miss Baucom's family? We can see that it's clearly green because it's the lowest bar. Those are the questions that we're going to answer for today because we're still going through our introduction, but you guys did a great job helping me with my bar graph today. Tomorrow we're going to learn about a different type of graph, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you for our live session.